Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock your GMC Terrain radio. First, you'll need to locate your radio's unique identification number, often found on a sticker or through a specific button sequence. This number is crucial for obtaining the correct unlock code. Next, I'll guide you through the process of acquiring that code, typically from a GMC dealership or an authorized service. Finally, we'll cover the simple steps to input the code into your radio, restoring full functionality. To begin, you'll need to find your radio's unique identification. For some GMC Terrain models, holding down the Preset 1 and Preset 4 buttons simultaneously for about 10 seconds will display the serial number. If that doesn't work, the vehicle's VIN or Vehicle Identification Number can also be used. You can find the VIN on the driver's side dashboard, visible through the windshield, or on the driver's door jam sticker. This number is essential for the next step. Once you have your radio's serial number or the vehicle's VIN, the next step is to obtain the unlock code. The most reliable method is to contact a GMC dealership. Provide them with your identification number and proof of ownership, such as your vehicle registration. They can usually retrieve the correct 4-digit or 5-digit unlock code from their database. There are also reputable online services that can provide these codes, often for a small fee, using your provided information. With your unlock code in hand, it's time to enter it into your GMC Terrain radio. Turn on the ignition and the radio. You should see LOC or locked displayed. Use the radio's preset buttons, typically numbers 1 through 4 or 5, to input each digit of your code. For example, if your code is 1234, press preset 1, then preset 2, and so on. After entering all digits, press the band or seek button to confirm. Your radio should then unlock and function normally.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.